To get a mortgage, the bank looks at three key things when assessing your risk. That's your credit, your income, and your assets. Like the law, it's not about what you say, but what you can prove, and the proof is in your documentation. Your credit is like your resume. It reflects your history of paying your bills on time. For your credit, they simply look at your credit report and at the quantified FICO score on that report. If your credit isn't ideal at the moment, that's not a big deal. We can work on building it up. For a free copy of your credit report that won't impact your score, click on the Resources tab on my website and click on the Free Credit Report button. Secondly, they'll calculate your income, which is your capability of paying the loan back. The general documents they'll review are your tax returns for the most recent 2 years, W-2s for the most recent 2 years. This is the slip from your job at the end of the year that you used to do your taxes. We'll also need pay stubs covering the most recent 30 days. Any other income used will need to be documented, and the normal rule of thumb is that it's reasonably going to continue for the next 3 years. Feel free to just call me with any questions. Thirdly, they're going to review your assets. This reflects your money management skills, but most importantly, it proves that you have the funds for the down payment and the closing cost. If you currently don't have enough funds, that's fine. Just fill out the qualifier form and we'll find out what down payment assistance you qualify for. Fourthly, we'll need a copy of your photo ID. For the most part, that's it for the documents. Collecting documents listed on this checklist behind me is one of the hugest steps to becoming a homeowner. The instructions are very simple. First, gather all the documents and make sure that they're legible. Secondly, send the documents. You have a few different options as you can see on the screen. You can email them, you can fax them, you can drop off copies to the office or even mail them. It's really as simple as just gathering your documents and sending them so that you can be helped. Once I have your documents, I'm normally able to issue you a pre-approval with writing within 24 hours. Feel free to call me with any questions. I'm Mortgage Mo and I'm here for you.
Mortgage Mo, the way to go. When you're grown and want a home of your own, you gotta go. Take control and pick up the phone. If you want low rates and your loan to close, just call Mortgage Mo. Oh.